Okay, but he haven't said anything about drugs when he come to the car. He never said once he suspected me doing anything, sir.
Why is it necessary for us to argue about this?
It's not
if you have nothing in
because if I'm telling you I haven't done anything wrong and he's saying that I have, it's his word against mine. I haven't done anything.
So then if you have nothing,
absolutely nothing
about, you can let them do their job here and you can go about your business.
They can scan the car around. I'm not getting out though.
Today's story was brought to you by this channel. I will leave the link in the description. Give them the credit they deserve. This man was pulled over by the police while pulling into a parking lot without making a complete stop due to oncoming traffic. He questions why he was pulled over and states that he hasn't committed any crimes. The officer demands that he steps out of the vehicle for them to search his car, but he vehemently refuses to step out, asserting his rights and schools the cops like a boss.
Sounds fucking stupid. He pulled in the fucking parking lot the whole time, watching me.
We're gonna do a scan of the vehicle, so if you don't mind, step out of the vehicle.
What for? What? Have I been suspected of committing a crime?
We can scan any vehicle we want as long as.
But have I suspected of committing a crime
for a legal reason? So
that's a traffic stop. That's a traffic issue.
Do me a favor, step out of the vehicle.
Write me a ticket so I can go by my way. I'm not stepping out the vehicle, bro. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do absolutely nothing.
Telling you to step out of the vehicle.
If you pull me out this vehicle, I'm gonna file a lawsuit, bro. You violate my rights.
To do that. If you don't step out, I will pull you out of the car.
Well, you're gonna have to take me out. I'm not legally getting out my vehicle when I haven't done anything wrong. Absolutely nothing. I was pulled over the other morning going to work for my headlight, right? I fixed it. You want to check it? I fixed it. If you can pull that up, I fixed the headlight. I just came from my house, get gas, got me a soda, got my oil change. I seen you pulling to the fucking sheets, eyeballing the car the whole time. I don't know why y'all keep pulling me over. I'm out here working because I'm in a fucking union. That's why I got Mississippi tags. That's the whole reason you pulling me over. I drive the other car, you pull me over in it. You pull my old lady over in it.
All right, well, if you
it's just ridiculous.
If you step out, we're going to scan the car.
What you going to scan the car for? You can look and see there ain't nothing in the car.
Okay. Are you giving me consent to search the vehicle?
No, I'm not giving you nothing.
Okay, then step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not. Call your supervisor, man. Call your supervisor.
Step out of the vehicle.
I want to speak to your supervisor, please. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. I'm telling you, pull me out the car, you fucking up.
Despite ganging up to intimidate him, he fearlessly maintained his composure. The officers also couldn't muster up the courage to drag him out of the car because they know the possible consequences that awaits them.
You're making a big mistake.
Well, the issue is
you're making a big mistake.
For a legal reason.
You stopped me because you said I pulled up. No, you didn't come to the car. You didn't come to the car and said, sir, you smell like alcohol, you smell like marijuana. None of that. None of that. You just go to your car telling me you pulling me over for a traffic stop. Go to your car and then 10 police fucking pull up like I'm supposed to be fucking scared or something. I done been through this plenty in my life. I'm not stepping out of shit. I'm not stepping out of shit. That's my right, dude. You don't know your fucking, I'm done talking. I'm done talking.
You gonna step out of the car now?
I'm not stepping out of shit.
No?
No. Okay. Give me your supervisor. Let me and him talk. All right, cool. Your sergeant, whoever's in charge. Okay. It's bullshit. I'm not stepping out of shit. Once I step out of the vehicle, I lose my rights. I'm not fucking stupid.
What rights would you
Whatever, dude. You're being recorded. We're being recorded, so.
You're more than welcome to record me.
I know I am. That's my right, too.
It's a wise decision by him for standing by his words and refusing to step out of the car. If he had stepped out of the car, he will lose his rights. And if they are crooked cops that plant stuffs in someone's car, just like we have covered on this channel, he might be arrested and jailed for willingly giving up his right.
You're the wrong button, buddy.
Yeah, look in there. Ain't nothing in here but work shit, tools, fishing poles, a battery from my truck that I just sold, charge it up for this guy. That's it. I don't do nothing. Whatever y'all perception is, why y'all keep pulling me over, it's gonna fucking stop. After today, it's gonna stop.
Following traffic rules?
I follow traffic rules. Well, if I haven't followed traffic rules, check my driving record. Check my driving record. That tells you a lot if I haven't. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Y'all on 68 all day. So I follow my traffic rules, dude. So I have way more tickets. Y'all just fucking with me for no reason.
With all the confrontation from the cop, he ultimately stood his ground and refused to step out of his vehicle. Police only have the right to search your car if you have committed a crime or under suspicion. In this case, he hasn't committed any crime. It will be a violation of the law if the police search his car without his consent. In general, this means police cannot search a person or their property without a warrant or probable cause. Ordering a driver out of the car without any probable cause or suspicion is a clear violation of Fourth Amendment rights, protecting citizens against unreasonable searches and seizures. Excessive force is generally prohibited by the 4th, 8th, and 14th Amendments. If the police use excessive force to drag him out of the car, they will be violating his rights and might face legal charges.
Which I'm with it because I need some money, free money. You want to give it to me? I'm going to get it. So, I don't need the money. I work for a living. No, you don't. No, you don't. I haven't did anything wrong, sir. I haven't did anything wrong. I let y'all slide on 6th date when y'all pulled me and my little girl out of the car one night. I let y'all have that. That officer, he's no longer working with you guys. I let y'all have that. I let y'all have. I didn't fight, and I really had y'all to the left then, dead to the left. I didn't. My auntie told me you say, but I'm not getting out the car, man. I ain't did nothing. What you want me? Do I have a warrant? All right then.
The reason we want you,
I ain't did nothing.
Listen.
I haven't did nothing.
Listen to me, and I will explain this.
I'm listening.
The reason we want you out of the vehicle is because it is their policy that the occupants of the vehicle have to be out of the vehicle while they do the K9 scan.
What they doing the K9 scan for?
We can scan any vehicle we want.
For what? So why didn't the lady that pulled me over the other morning, why didn't she do the same process?
I have no idea. I wasn't there.
And my headlight was out, and I haven't done anything wrong. Anything.
Different officers.
When they finally admit that they can't handle the man, they called their superior, thinking he would break the man's resolve, but he vehemently refused to give up his right.
They pulled me over for, it's just an illegal stop, sir. If you're the sergeant or lieutenant. What did they pull you over for? He said he pulled me over because I didn't stop coming out of sheets, which is stupid. There's traffic coming. Why wouldn't I stop, sir?
I can't answer that.
Why wouldn't I stop?
Do me a favor. Take the keys out of your
First of all, he pulled in looking at my vehicle while I'm pumping gas.
We're not going to argue.
Are you the sergeant?
If he stopped you for not stopping, then that's the problem cause for what we're doing.
This is a traffic stop. Why can't he just write me a ticket and I go by my way?
Because he has indicators every once in a while.
For what though? For what is the reason?
What do we typically run a dog for?
Drugs? Okay, but he haven't said anything about drugs when he come to the car. He never said once he suspected me doing anything, sir.
Why is it necessary for us to argue about this?
It's not.
If you have nothing in
because if I'm telling you I haven't done anything wrong and he's saying that I have, it's his word against mine. Okay. I haven't done anything.
So then if you have nothing,
absolutely nothing to worry
about, you can let them do their job here and you can go about your business.
They can scan the car around. I'm not getting out though.
Once the dog alerts,
it ain't gonna alert. Well, that you just automatically saying the dog's gonna alert. That's what you're saying.
Now
you're on camera.
I said if.
No, you're pretty much telling me that.
I said if the dog alerts.
That's like you're pretty much saying.
What up?
You just telling me what you're gonna do. Whether or wait, it don't matter what y'all do, man. There's nothing in the vehicle.
Can you at least turn your ignition off on me?
There's nothing in the vehicle, so you're just gonna want to violate my rights.
You have nothing to worry.
Go ahead and violate them. Yes, it is. You just gonna violate the right. You can open the back door and let them in if you want.
Keep your hands in the car.
You can open the door and let them in. They searching to put the K9 around the car, y'all. For what reason? I don't know. Didn't say anything about nothing when he pulled me over, but all of a sudden he wanted me out of my vehicle to search my car when I have done anything wrong. Nothing.
Yep.
Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is my work vehicle. I fish in it. I work on people's shit. I just got an oil change. Look. Just got an oil change. Just 10 minutes ago. And he gonna tell me I pull out of the sheets without stopping when there's fucking oncoming traffic. What sense does that make? By the way, sir, I've been fishing at Jennings, Randolph Lake.
How's it been?
I catching some big ass bass. I'm about to go buy me a boat here shortly, as soon as y'all let me go. And that's how we doing. Yes, sir.
I'm the K9 guy.
Yep.
I just scanned the vehicle.
He alerted, didn't he?
No.
Yeah, because obviously now, because I mentioned he didn't. It's just the way y'all treat people out here for absolutely nothing is fucking ridiculous. And it has nothing to do with you personally.
Be careful. You got a bus coming through.
What's your name, sir?
Baluch, B-A-L-U-C-H.
He's been cool. You can finish what you was telling me.
So
sorry, cut you off, bro.
So like I said, dog didn't alert to the vehicle, but I always interview anybody after I scan whether the dog alerts or not.
Yeah.
Just because I want to make sure the dog's doing what he's supposed to. So there's never been any drugs in the car, nothing like that?
No.
Okay. All right, man. Appreciate it.
I'm free to go?
They also be with you in a second.
Okay.
But as far as the dog stuff, you're done. They just have to finish your warning or whatever they're doing, and then.
Thank you, sir. Nah, they don't need to give me no warning. He need to write me a fucking ticket. Cause they keep giving me warnings, but he keeps saying I keep violating the law. So
what's your warning here?
That's another warning.
Because I don't
I've done nothing.
I don't feel like police
another warning.
Writing tickets, but here's your warning.
Yep.
Here's your information bag.
Yep.
Have a good day.
Let's take a moment to commend this man for his courage for standing up against a group of policemen with their K9 and never giving up his rights. Remember, if you consent to search by the police, you're exposing yourself to criminal liability. As long as you have not committed any crime, you have the right to refuse their demand to search your car. If you love stories like this, subscribe and turn on notifications for more. Thanks for watching.